Cooking mastery stems from passion. It's an individual's pursuit of getting the best possible result and trying different things, trying different temperatures, different power levels, different ingredients. You have professionals that are looking to really master a particular technique, and it takes hours and hours of practice. They don't give up. They keep trying to get a better result.
I think with masters, it's not necessarily about the equipment they use, it's about how well they know that piece of equipment. So in a professional kitchen, even the ovens that they use aren't perfect. The chef needs to know exactly where to put the food in the oven, how to rotate it, how to move it around to get the most out of that particular appliance. When we developed the technology that lives inside the Smart Oven range, our ambition was really to empower home cooks to achieve effortless perfection.
What we did was we looked at what people wanted, and the feedback was that they wanted a product that they could cook multiple different foods and different cooking techniques. And first and foremost, they wanted to get good results, but also wanted to have them quickly and easily. The
Element IQ system is a combination of technologies that allow you to move heat around the oven when and where it's needed to create the ultimate cooking environment.
Well, the Element IQ system is really made up of 5 key ideas. The first one, the smart presets, so it's really kind of a set and forget kind of system. The second one is to do with smart and precise algorithms and PID temperature control. This really ensures that the temperature in your oven is consistent. Thirdly is to do with independently controlled elements and heaters so that the power can be put wherever you want it during your cooking cycle. The fourth one is convection and airflow. So we have a dual speed airflow system depending on what food you're cooking. And the last one, the fifth one, is to do with optimizing the rack positioning so that people can put the food in the optimum location in the oven. So the Element IQ system helps to eliminate the cold spots or different flaws that can be in wall ovens by really putting the power and the heat where you want it in the oven, so that potentially you don't want even heat. You might need more heat on the bottom or more heat on the top. And so depending on what food you're cooking, that oven will do it for you.
Each technique, each food that you put in the oven does require slightly different power levels, different temperatures, and being able to offer a preset menu where the consumer doesn't have to think, they can just select bake and get the best results for that technique or ingredient is actually really valuable.
We now have air frying, we have slow cooking, we can do proofing, and really it's the Element IQ system that allows us to be able to add these cooking techniques into our Smart Oven range and allows you to get the repeatable, good quality results that you're looking for without compromise.
At Breville, we marry technology with food thinking, but also design. So when you combine a food result and build a whole engineering and technology package to deliver that food result, we also have the opportunity and the privilege to design a beautiful and intuitive product that people are proud to have in their kitchen. And I think that's why we keep winning awards with the products that we develop.